You ever wonder if there's a simple, natural way to get a little bit smarter, like every single day? Well, it turns out there is, and it's something we all do, but let's be honest, maybe not well enough. We're going to dive into the really powerful and kind of overlooked link between how you sleep and how you think.
Okay, let's just start with a number, 40%. That is a huge number, and that's how much your problem-solving ability can totally nosedive after missing just one single night of good sleep. Think about that. One all-nighter could cost you almost half of your brain power the next day.
And look, we all make this trade, don't we? We cut those precious hours of sleep to watch one more episode, answer a few more emails, or, for that last-minute cram session. But here's the thing. There's a hidden cost to that deal, and it's our brain that's footing the bill.
So why? Why does this happen? It's not just about feeling tired or a little groggy. Something really fundamental is going on inside our heads when we skip sleep that causes our brain to take such a massive hit.
Well, it all comes down to something called neural connectivity. The easiest way to think about it is like your brain's own internal internet, this incredibly complex web of wiring that lets all the different parts talk to each other, learn things, and solve problems. When you're sleep-deprived, those connections get weak and slow. It's like trying to stream a 4K movie on old-school dial-up. It's just not going to work well.
And the difference is just night and day. On one side, you've got the sleep-deprived brain. It's got these weak connections, which leads to that foggy thinking and just sluggish performance. But on the other side, a well-rested brain. We're talking strong, clear pathways, ready to fire on all cylinders. But here's the good news. Those weakened connections, they aren't permanent. Not at all. In fact, your brain has this amazing built-in repair cycle. You see, sleep isn't just passive downtime. It's a very active process. It's your brain's nightly reboot, and it's designed specifically to fix this exact problem. So while you're fast asleep, your brain is hard at work. During that deep sleep stage, it's actually replaying the important stuff from your day, sorting through it and storing what matters. That's memory consolidation. Then it starts linking those new memories to old ones, which is a huge part of being creative. It's like a super efficient filing clerk and a brilliant inventor working the night shift in your head. When you put it all together, this whole process is literally a natural brain upgrade. You get one every single night. This isn't some fancy biohack, it's just fundamental biology. You're actually making your cognitive hardware better while you sleep. And the benefits are real. You can feel them right away. After just one full night of proper rest, you're not just less tired, you are measurably better at creative thinking, your logic is way sharper, and you even have more control over your emotions. It's a total cognitive boost across the board. So, let's circle back to that 40% we started with. See, getting consistent quality sleep doesn't just stop that performance drop, it actively reverses it. You can get back that lost problem-solving accuracy and get your brain working at its peak potential. So, if there's one thing to take away from all this, it's simple. Sleeping smarter isn't about being lazy, it's about being efficient. If you want to think sharper tomorrow, you absolutely have to sleep smarter tonight. Which really just leaves us with one last question for you. If you really started treating sleep like the performance-enhancing tool it is, what would you do with that daily brain upgrade? What problem would you solve? What new thing would you create? The potential is right there, waiting for you, every single night.